Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that many car owners overlook, yet it quietly wreaks havoc on one of your vehicle's most vital components, the battery. We're talking about the hidden dangers of undercharging, and why ensuring your car battery reaches its full charge isn't just a good idea, it's absolutely crucial for its health and your wallet. Stay tuned as we uncover the silent threats lurking beneath your hood. It's a common scenario. You drive your car daily, so you assume the alternator is doing its job, keeping your battery perfectly topped up. But what if I told you that for many drivers, especially those with shorter commutes or frequent stop-and-go traffic, their battery rarely, if ever, achieves a full charge? This isn't just an inconvenience. It initiates a destructive cycle that significantly shortens your battery's lifespan and can lead to unexpected breakdowns. To understand why undercharging is so detrimental, let's briefly recap how a standard lead-acid car battery works. Inside, you have lead plates immersed in an electrolyte solution of sulfuric acid and water. When you start your car or use accessories, a chemical reaction occurs, converting chemical energy into electrical energy. When the alternator charges the battery, this process reverses, converting electrical energy back into chemical energy, ideally bringing the battery back to its fully charged state. Undercharging simply means the battery doesn't spend enough time or receive sufficient voltage to complete this crucial chemical reversal process. Instead of reaching its optimal 12.6 to 12.8 volts, it hovers in a perpetually discharged state, perhaps at 12.0 or 12.2 volts. While these numbers might seem close, that small deficit represents a world of difference in the battery's internal chemistry and its long-term health. The most insidious and pervasive danger of consistent undercharging is a process called sulfation. This is the silent killer of lead-acid batteries. It's a natural byproduct of the discharge process, where soft lead sulfate crystals form on the battery plates. In a healthy, fully charged battery, these crystals easily convert back into active material during charging. However, when a battery is repeatedly undercharged, these soft, easily reversible lead sulfate crystals begin to harden and grow larger. They become non-conductive, forming an impenetrable barrier on the battery plates. Think of it like plaque building up in an artery. It chokes off the battery's ability to accept and deliver a charge efficiently. The impact of sulfation on battery performance is profound and immediate. As the hardened sulfate crystals accumulate, they reduce the battery's active plate area. This directly translates to a diminished capacity, meaning the battery can hold less charge. More critically, it severely impairs the battery's ability to deliver high cranking amps, making it harder to start your engine, especially in cold weather. Beyond sulfation, another often overlooked consequence of persistent undercharging is acid stratification. This occurs when the sulfuric acid in the electrolyte solution becomes unevenly distributed. Since sulfuric acid is denser than water, it tends to sink to the bottom of the battery cells, leaving a higher concentration of water at the top. Acid stratification exacerbates battery degradation. The highly concentrated acid at the bottom corrodes the lower parts of the plates prematurely, while the weaker acid at the top reduces the effective plate area available for chemical reactions. This uneven distribution significantly hinders the battery's performance, further reduces its capacity, and shortens its overall lifespan, often leading to failure even when the battery appears relatively new. The problems stemming from an undercharged battery aren't confined to the battery itself. Your entire vehicle's electrical system can suffer. A struggling battery places an increased strain on your alternator, forcing it to work harder and longer to compensate for the battery's inability to hold a full charge. This extra workload can lead to premature alternator failure and expensive repair. Moreover, modern vehicles are packed with sensitive electronics, from infotainment systems to complex engine control units. These systems rely on a stable and consistent power supply. An undercharged battery provides an unstable voltage, which can lead to erratic behavior, warning lights, and even potential damage to these delicate electronic components, creating a cascade of costly issues. Ultimately, the most significant danger of undercharging is the drastic reduction in your battery's lifespan. A car battery designed to last 5 to 7 years might only survive 2 or 3 years under conditions of consistent undercharging. This isn't just about inconvenience, it's about significant financial waste, as you're forced to replace expensive components far more frequently than necessary. Your daily driving habits play a crucial role here. Short trips, where the engine runs for only a few minutes, don't allow the alternator enough time to fully replenish the energy used during startup. Similarly, vehicles primarily used for city driving with frequent stops and starts often suffer from chronic undercharging, as the alternator struggles to keep up with constant demands without extended periods of charging. Compounding the issue, today's vehicles draw more power than ever before. Heated seats, sophisticated navigation systems, multiple charging ports, and especially start-stop technology all place heavy demands on the battery. If these systems are regularly used without sufficient charging time, the battery operates in a perpetual state of depletion, accelerating its demise. So, how can you tell if your battery is suffering from undercharging? Common signs include slow engine cranking, dim headlights, especially when the engine is off, and electrical accessories that seem sluggish. In more advanced cases, you might see battery warning lights on your dashboard or experience complete electrical failures. Don't wait for these obvious symptoms. By then, significant damage may have already occurred. The good news is that preventing undercharging is relatively simple. For vehicles used for short trips, consider investing in a smart, multi-stage battery charger or maintainer. These devices can safely top off your battery overnight or during periods of non-use, ensuring it reaches and maintains a full charge without overcharging. Regular voltage checks with a multimeter can also provide an early warning. Aim for 12.6 volts or higher after the car has been off for a few hours. In conclusion, understanding and preventing the hidden dangers of undercharging is vital for extending the life of your car battery and maintaining the overall health of your vehicle's electrical system. Don't let sulfation and stratification silently destroy your battery. Proactive maintenance, especially regular full charging, will save you money, prevent unexpected breakdowns, and ensure your car starts reliably every time. Take care of your battery, and it will take care of you.